Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the A119 Mini 2. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get with this dash cam. Pause the video here for some more specs. Pause the video here for some more specs. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got. Very nice presentation. User manual. Presentation is definitely nice. Some screen protectors. So far, I'm liking how the brand is presenting itself. Power cable, Type-C to USB, double-sided tape, tool for mounting, and it looks like the power supply cable for 12 volt. So they give you your 12 volt plug. This goes in your cigarette outlet. That's awesome. Okay, plenty of cable for running the cam. That's awesome. So this is what it looks like. Very unique setup. Make sure you remove all the plastic around it, especially off the lens. There's going to be this little plastic on the lens. You definitely want to get rid of that, or else it's going to be blurry. Camera can be rotated. Very nice. So far, I'm liking it. Power supply goes up there, or the port for the power supply cable is up there. Peel this off just like this, and this is how you would mount it. Then you would mount it wherever you want the camera to be, on your windshield or other. Okay, let's go ahead and do a power test. Alright, we can see that it lights up. So the plug lights up. That's awesome. Alright guys, so this is the camera. It's beeping. You need to insert a memory card so you can actually start using it.
Please insert the memory card.
Pretty nice looking.